Available in 4 stunning colors: black, natural, white, and desert titanium. The larger display sizes and thinner bezels make for an immersive viewing experience. Hey, hello. In this video, you'll find all about sizzling new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This phone is packed with new features and improvements, so let's get right into it. Also, subscribe to Fantastic Facts for more. First off, let's talk about the design. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a sleek titanium finish available in 4 stunning colors: black, natural, white, and desert titanium. The larger display sizes and thinner bezels make for an immersive viewing experience. The display is absolutely gorgeous. With a larger screen, it's perfect for watching videos, gaming, and more. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a new 48MP Fusion camera with a faster quad-pixel sensor, enabling 4K 120fps video recording with Dolby Vision. There's also a 48MP ultra-wide camera for higher resolution photography. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the A18 Pro chip, which brings Apple Intelligence to your fingertips. So, to sum it up, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a powerhouse of a phone with stunning design, incredible camera capabilities, and top-notch performance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fantastic Facts for more.